This fire extinguisher is more than just a piece of equipment. It's a lifesaver in an emergency. But does everyone on your team know how to use it? Now, imagine a colleague suddenly needing first aid at work. How many would confidently step in to help? In critical moments, knowledge saves lives. Yet, safety training often gets overlooked amidst deadlines and targets. But when an emergency strikes, being prepared makes all the difference. At Learnnovators, we design engaging, scenario-based e-learning solutions that make safety training practical, memorable, and effective. Our courses equip your team with the skills they need to act decisively in real-life situations. What's more, to cater to a diverse audience, our content can be made available in multiple languages and works seamlessly across devices, ensuring every employee is ready, anytime, anywhere. Ready to build a safer workplace? Write to us at eLearning@learnnovators.com, and let's craft a tailored learning solution that protects your people and your workplace. Learnnovators. We bring innovation to learning.